has issued a special marine warning for Lake Michigan from North Point Light, Wisconsin to Wind Point, Wisconsin, 5 nautical miles offshore to mid-lake, until 6:30 p.m. At 5:48 p.m., strong thunderstorms were located along a line extending from Wind Point to 26 nautical miles west of South Haven Light, moving northeast at 45 knots. Hazard, wind gusts 34 knots or greater. Source, radar. Impact, small craft could be damaged and briefly higher winds and suddenly higher waves. Strong thunderstorms will remain over mainly open waters.